Welcome everybody, welcome to Mila's Budgeting. Today we're going to do a cash stuffing of our second paycheck of May. After completing our budget, we originally had $750 to assign to our sinking funds as well as our savings challenges. However, I had unexpected but expected money come in. So let me explain. I did my taxes, I prepared my taxes for 2020 and I just now received my refund. Thank you, IRS. I was being sarcastic. Anyways, so I only took out $382 from there. I also received, well, not received, I also kept $158 from my variable spending that was rolled over into here. Let me explain. So I set aside money every single paycheck for gas, for household, for groceries, and for eating out, such as like eating at work and stuff like that. Obviously I used my debit card, I used my credit card, I paid it off. Money that is left over the day before I get paid, that I gathered everything up and it's $158. That is money that it came from me. Like, this is my money. But it's like money that I kind of didn't expect. I thought I was going to use my whole budget, but I managed to save. I managed to just save money and then have my taxes and increase this to $910. Ooh, ooh. All right, let's stuff. And as you can see, I made some new ones. Yay. All right, so for spending, we're going to add $60. So now we have 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 170. So, I don't know if you guys can notice, but I have some new designs. I know y'all didn't even tell me that I look just raggedy, but I made some new designs. Why? Because I bought a Cricut Joy. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It is awesome. How come I didn't buy it before? I am so late in the game. But I love it. You might see some mistakes, but I just got it, so I'm learning. For the month ahead, we're gonna add $60. And now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 480. For emergencies, we're going to add 60. So for emergencies, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 560. For savings, remember we added the 500 because we already reached our 500 limit. 500 to apply the placeholder. So little itty bitty thing. I decided to move money around, obviously, because this is my binder. We have actually vacation coming up, so I actually took out the 50 that I had here from last time, and plus from other places, and I actually applied it to vacation, and you'll see. So here we're going to add $50. For babysitting, we have $50 that we're going to add in. So now we have 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400, 420, 440. Yeah, 440. For family time, we're going to add $30. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 320, 330, 335. For household, we're going to add $30. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 320, 330. For household, I'm thinking about probably mixing it in with home improvement. I feel like they're both the same thing, but they're both different, if you get what I mean. Um, this is what I'm thinking about. I haven't really gotten into it. If you guys can tell me some of your recommendations. You know, should I mix this one with home improvement? But I feel like household is like the smaller stuff, and then the home improvement is like the big stuff. Appliances, repairs, anything leaking. Um, and then household to me is like household supplies, Clorox, mops and stuff like that. So I kind of want to put them together, but I don't want to put them together. Let me know. For the kids' savings, so this is for their 5 to 9 plan, we're going to add $30. And now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 115. For the car insurance, remember we already reached the 500. We currently have 600, so now we're going to add a 50. So now we have 500, 550, 600, 650. That kind of messed me up a little bit. Remember, this one is due in July. And for car maintenance, we're going to add $20. So I had to dig into this one because I had to do an oil change. But thank God I had the money, because that would have came out of my shopping category and messed everything up. So we have 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Let's see, yeah, 160. And that's all for our high priority. Let me know what you guys think about these designs. I just started, like, as you can see, I already messed up, but it's fine. I'm learning. For our low priority, I changed this now to like summer water bill, because like water savings, it was like weird. So this is for the summer water bill, and we're going to add $40. We have 200, so now we have 240. Our lawn care, I just had to use this yesterday. Thank God I had it. We're gonna add $20. So now we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140. And this one, I don't want to condense it, because sometimes you have to give people change, and so I definitely don't want to condense this one. For the cesspool cleanup, we're going to add $40. So now we have 240. The home improvement, I know this looks weird now that I look at it. Remember, this is the one that I really wanted to kind of mesh together with the household, but it's fine. We're gonna add $50. So now we have 150, 160, 165. For date night, we're going to add $30. So now we have 100, 120, 130, 140. Oh, wait. For yearly subscriptions, we are going to add $30. So now we have 80. for birthdays. And oh my goodness, well, actually, I should say fiance. I don't have the ring yet, but my fiance's birthday. Yeah. His birthday is coming up in 2 weeks, so this one is gonna be used. Most definitely. I know you're asking about the ring, but so he actually bought me a size 7. But I recently gained weight, so I think I'm an 8 now, or at least 7.5, and it didn't fit. Oh, that's embarrassing. Okay. So for birthdays, we're gonna add $40. Don't tell nobody that. But I'm definitely gonna add this for his birthday coming up in 2 weeks. So we're gonna have 100, 200, 220, 240, 250, 255. For medical, we're gonna add a measly $10. So now we have 5100, 5100, 120, 140, 155. Christmas. I'm so proud of myself with this one. I really am. But we're gonna add $30. So now we have 330. For gifts, we're gonna add $30. Did I just do that? Oh wow. So now we have 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 275. Now vacation. 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 So I added money from the savings. I added money from, from like different other funds, took them out that I didn't think it was necessary, or, that they could live without, and I put them here. Why? Because we're going to go to Aruba. Ew. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, $120. We're going to add 120. I should have just put 100, but it's fine. So we have 5100, 5200, 5300, 5400, 400. What did you, oh my goodness. 5100, 5200, 5300, 5400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 540, 560. And I promised myself that I was not gonna, use my credit card and then use my second paycheck or the paycheck after to pay it off. It's gonna come from here. And that's the whole point, is we're saving before an event, not using our paycheck after an event. That's how you accrue debt if you don't pay it off. So for holidays, we're going to add $20. So now for holidays, we have 50, 70, 90, 105. Yeah, 105. And last but not least, clothes and toiletries, we're going to add $10. So now we have 50, 100, 50, 150, 170, 190, 200. And here it is for our cash stuffing. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like my new binder? Oh, I forgot to talk about my tray. So this is my tray. I made it. It was so cute. I was like, I need something better than that little itty bitty thing. But the video up next is going to be our savings challenges, okay? But let me know what you guys think. Did I mess up here? You cricket professionals and experienced cricket professionals, let me know what you guys think about this. I made it myself, and it took, I think, like 4 days between working and taking care of my kids. But let me know what you guys think, and everybody have a great day. I know it's messy outside, but have a great day, y'all. See you on the next video. For now, we're gonna stuff $910.